Test here to make sure that your brake switch is all the way engaged. So there is a little button that's inside of here that was when you change the brake switch. So this presses up against that, and that tells the brake that it is activated. So if you were to push up against this lever, if there was some movement in there, it would be able to go outwards. That's how you could tell that it was needed to be adjusted. I'll show you what that would look like right now. Okay, here we have an example where the brake switch is too far away. So you can see as I push from the bottom of it that there's able to be some movement. So that's when it's pushing up against it. So as I push up against it, it makes full contact. And then when I hit the throttle, it works. You need to push up. If you can push, you can see that little bit of play. Then you just need to make that adjustment to this little screw here, which takes a 2 millimeter, and then bring that inwards to adjust. Sorry about the focusing on this. To adjust this to make sure that's fully closed.